Hey guys, see this lovely pretty gold package I have here? This is my order from Jewelry and Candles, and it is the Alex and Madison jewelry line. It's for women entrepreneurs, business women, just to show that we can conquer and be the boss too. They have really pretty necklaces and engravings on them, and like, oh, let's see if I can get this there. This one, it's kind of hard to see. This girl is on fire, and it actually has a pretty long chain to it. Awesome. I got this one because last year's conference they played that song a lot. And then we have this boss bangle. It says boss on there. Pretty awesome. They have like a limited supply on these. In our stores. Sorry, I was looking at something. In our stores. So if you want any info on it, just message me and let me know. It's a new line, and they are two sisters out of Louisville, Kentucky. They are Micah, the owner of Jewelry and Candles, his business partner. So they wanted to show their line to us first, and here is part of it. And they have silver and gold, and they have beautiful bracelets with beading on them, and you really need to just go check them out. I know all you boss babes will like it. So I'm going to drop the link below, and you mosey on over and check it out, and let me know if you have any questions on it. And if you want a discount on it, contact me. I'll give you a little discount on it. So check out the link below, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.